Yeah, so when you have a question like this that says 50% of 100, this is a very easy question. All you have to do is say 50 over 100, that's 50% of, same as multiplication, 100. 100 will cancel 100 and your answer would be 50. But the fast way to do this is, first of all, knowing that 50% also means half, because 50 over 100 is same as 1 over 2. So you can just take half of 100 and that will still give you 50. Either way, you get the right answer. A student scored 40 out of 50 in a test. What percentage did the student score? So what you do here is you say 40 over 50, this is what the student score, then you multiply it by 100%. So when you do this, what you are going to have is 50 here 1, 50 here 2. 40 times 2 would give you 80. You bring the percent here, 80%. If a product costs $200 and a 10% discount is applied, what is the sale price? So the 10%, as we said earlier, 10% is you divide the number by 10. So 10% of $200 is equal to $20. So this is the discount. So you say 200 minus 20, and that is going to give you 180. So the sale price is $180. What is the 25% of 80? So 25 is also the same as 1 over 4, and when you take 1 over 4 of 80, which is same as 80 divided by 4, you will have 20. So 25 divided by 100, 25 here 1, 25 here 4. That is why it is 1 over 4. So when you say 25 over 100 times 80, so if this is already 1 over 4, you have here you have 1, here you have 4. So automatically, because this 4 is down and the 1 is up, so when you say 1 over 4 times 80 over 1 is same as saying 80 over 4. So 4 here 1, 4 here 20. So the final answer is 20.